Many people believe that becoming a millionaire requires a hefty salary or pure luck. This belief is misguided. In 2026, the true key to accumulating wealth lies not in how much you earn, but in how you navigate the first 5 years of your career. If you're in your early 20s, you have a financial advantage that even billionaires in their 60s would envy: time. Consider two investors. Rahul begins at the age of 22, saving just 5,000 rupees monthly. He does this for 8 years. By 30, he stops contributing altogether without adding another rupee. Total investment? Less than 5 lakhs. Now, examine Deepak. Deepak waits until he's 32 to begin. He invests the same 5,000 rupees each month, but he continues for a full 30 years until retirement. Who accrues more wealth? Most would assume Deepak wins since he worked longer and invested thrice the amount. But they are mistaken. Rahul emerges victorious. Even though he ceased after 8 years, his investment enjoyed an additional decade of growth. By 60, Rahul boasts a significant fortune, while Deepak struggles to catch up. This demonstrates the strength of compound interest, often regarded as the 8th wonder of the world. The cost of waiting is the most costly tax you will ever incur. You don't have to be extraordinarily intelligent to amass wealth. You simply need to begin. If you're ready to transition from working for money to having money work for you, comment "plan" below. Let's start crafting your future.